Hello guys and welcome back to another epic and entertaining episode on DashCam channel. All the best moments caught on driver's dashcam await you in this one and I hope you'll enjoy watching it. Make sure to sit back and enjoy the show. It came to a heated road rage between a biker and Audi driver. Fragile egos were hurt over nothing, and instead of letting things go, the whole situation dragged on.
You see? Second one.
When you're on a red light, especially at busy intersection, you can only expect a negative outcome, and this is exactly what happened here. Hopefully, they're doing fine.
Oh man.
It's common sense to let a police vehicle through when they have their sirens on. They teach you that at driving school, but apparently this driver was not paying attention in the class. Never get distracted when you're sitting behind your wheels, people. One small moment of distraction can cause huge problems. It looks like one driver purposely moved in front of moving vehicle trying to block his way. Unfortunately, he caused an accident with his crazy move and he's in a lot of trouble now.
No one behind me, she should have waited.
No one behind me, she should have waited.
Technology problem. It's, my dream would be for somebody like you to be able to read comments every once in a while in a way that is healthy.
No, I could. The problem is for me personally. There is so little time to just process life that any time that I spend trying.
Turn left on Plum Creek Parkway, then continue straight to stay on Plum Creek.
This cluster. It's like, nah, man. Turn my ass around. Yeah, I hear you, brother. I hear you. Shit, unfortunately, I have to go that way. NewYorkDashCam, YouTube. Feel to you.
Hi, I'm AbrahamAbeBibin, founder of Keepsake, a simple and affordable way to have your photos printed, framed, and delivered to your doorstep. If you're like me, you've probably got thousands of photos on your phone, but sometimes the moments that matter most end up getting lost. That's why. Just choose a photo and preview what it looks like in over 100 frames. Pick your favorite, and in a couple of days, your beautifully framed photo will arrive ready to hand. At Keepsake, we use the highest quality materials, and every frame is handmade in the USA. Because we ship directly from our studio. Makes it super easy to frame a photo for yourself or to send one as a gift to friends and family. So if you've got some...
With this clip we conclude another episode on whatdoidonext channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and learning something from all these clips. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really means a lot. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.